Hello, Libra. Welcome to your full moon in Aquarius reading. I'm sorry, new moon in Aquarius reading. Um, Listen, this new moon in Aquarius energy is amazing. It is all about big changes coming in. It's about being free from anything that binds you, right? Um, Anything that's restraining you. It's groundbreaking energy, like big changes. It's about grabbing that lightning, right, and running with that energy, being your authentic self. Don't follow the norm, so to speak. Okay, be you. There's only one you. You need to be you. Um, this new moon in Aquarius is also about relationships, right? Big changes there, and dreams. Your dreams coming true. Okay, so let's get into the overall energy the divine pulled out for you. This new moon starts on the 24th. It's going to go for about 2 weeks or so, maybe a little longer for some of you. So embrace this energy. Um, the divine pulled out the resilience card. Yeah, this is you standing strong, using your inner will, making things happening. You have learned and you have grown from your experiences and you are ready to move on, right? It doesn't matter how much you pile up on her back, she'll still keep going, right? She's got that will. So, beautiful energy for you to keep going, keep moving on, stand strong. Things are going to change. Your resilience is amazing. Very first card out in the tarot, love it. Queen of Wands, passion, confidence, determination. All right? This is absolutely your energy. You are like, I am not giving up on my dreams. You can give up on yours. I'm not giving up on mine. Now, this is also a card of making sure during these next few weeks that you're putting yourself out there. Get out there, mingle, meet people, network, all of that stuff. Because whatever this is for you, whether it's love, finance, new job, whatever this is for you, yeah, you got to get out there. Okay, throw your resume out there, jump on a dating site, whatever it might be for you, but get yourself out there. All right, there's a fire, in your belly now. Like you got this passion. Like I'm just almost there. I'm so close, right? Love it. Then, Libra, you have the Death card in reverse, which I love the Death card. Either way it comes out, it's a beautiful card. In reverse for you, this is personal transformation. You are going to make some big changes during this new moon in Aquarius. The way you think, the way you talk, the way you move, right? Everything. You're just making some big changes, releasing things that do not serve your highest good thought processes. Just you are cleaning house, okay? You're cleaning house. Then you have the Hierophant, which is so great because the Hierophant is really about expanding your knowledge, maybe going back to school, doing some online research, whatever this might be for you, right? But you're expanding your knowledge on a certain topic that has to do with your dreams, your goals, what you're trying to manifest in this life. All right, this is also spiritual wisdom coming in, your guides, the divine, your ancestors, your angels. They'll be sending you signs, symbols, synchronicities, serendipities, right? So be on the lookout. And I also love the depiction in this card because when I see the Hierophant in here, I also see the Four of Wands because that's, very much looks like the Four of Wands. And the Four of Wands is all about celebration, harmony in relationships, right? Harmony in those relationships is coming in. Stability, right? Stability. So I see both of those energies within this card for you. Then you have the Knight of Coins. Love it. The Knight of Coins, man, this is you being productive, taking one step in front of a time. You know, the Knight of Coins is the slowest knight in the deck, but that's because they get it done and they get it done right. One foot in front of the other, right? Nothing is overlooked for you. So I absolutely love this energy. It's very strong, right? Then look at what this leads you to. Whew. You got the sun, baby. You got the sun. You are lit up. That's all that passion. The sun is all about, you know, bliss, joy, happiness, material wealth, emotional wealth. I mean, it is the happiest card in the deck. It is all coming for you because of these big changes you're making, this transformation, okay? You're stepping out, right? What's that song? I keep hearing it in my head. I'm a horrible singer, Libra, so I don't even want to try to sing it, but I've got the world to see. Right? I'm stepping out. I got the world to see. Somebody put it in the comments. I'll promise I'll try not to sing for you because it's horrible. I have many talents. Singing is not one of them. However, yeah, you're ready, right? You're getting out there. You are the sun. The sun is coming to you. There's like a flip of switch in the way you're thinking about things, which I'm not surprised with this new moon in Aquarius. Libra, it's time, right? It's time to flip that switch. Not only do you have the sun, the magician comes out for you. You are the magician. You have all the tools that you need to manifest the life that you want, right? You have everything you need emotionally, mentally, physically. Like you have everything that you need, okay? And you're now kind of like really starting to accept it. We hear this a lot, especially in tarot, but you still have to accept it, right? You still have free will. You can watch 100 of these and they could all have the same message, but if you don't accept it, well, no, baby, that ain't going to come true for you, okay? So listen, Libra. It's accept the fact that you are the magic. The magic is within you. Big changes, right? Big groundbreaking changes for you. Planting, making. Then you have the 10 of Swords in reverse. Love it. 10 of Swords. Whew, this is finally an end to a painful ending, right? There's a painful ending, backstabbing, whatever it might be for you. It's going to be different for all of you, Libra, but it's over. You're done. Okay, I've moved on. I've learned. I've grown from this experience. You're not upset about it. You're just moving on from it. Thank you, universe. I needed to learn that lesson. I've grown so much from this very painful experience, right? You're moving on, which brings this beautiful Temperance card in, which is all about that balance, right? Being emotionally balanced. I mean, look at her. She's carefree. She doesn't have a worry in the world. She knows that she's equally balanced. She is just flowing that energy from one cup to the next. She's not even looking. Her eyes are closed. It's gorgeous, right? You come into balance. Then you have, if I could pick up the card, then you have the 7 of Pentacles, which I am seeing a lot in these readings, which is good. Okay, the 7 of Pentacles is all about planting the seeds of intention, right? Planting those seeds. What do I want to grow? What do I want my life to look like? Planting those seeds, nurturing them and having them grow, harvesting them, taking them, and then what do you do with your harvest, right? You eat the fruit, and what do you do with the seeds? You replant the seeds. Sustainability. So this card is all about success. It is about reaping rewards. You'll start reaping some rewards now, but it's also saying don't forget to plant those other seeds, right? Don't forget, reap and plant, okay? Reap the rewards, plant the seeds, reap the rewards, plant the seeds. I can't say it enough. That's what gives you the sustainability on your dreams, your goals. And boy, remember how we talked about this Queen of Wands and this passion, confidence, and determination? Yeah, because look, you have the Emperor. You are standing in your power. You are, listen, the Emperor is all about the outside world, right? He's all about our homes, our clothing, our food, our money, luxury, all of that stuff. He rules. He makes that stuff happen. He's a businessman. Doesn't matter what business he's in. He could be a financial advisor. He could be a healer. He still makes the money, right? He knows his worth. He knows what he's putting out is worth getting paid for. So you are standing in your power. And look at this. Boy, are you ever, because look what happens here. And I'm going to have to move all the cards now. You have the 9 of Coins. My favorite card, because the 9 of Coins is all about luxury. It's all about financial independence, okay? You are coming into financial independence. That level of money is different for everybody. I say it all the time, right? Because what will make you happy and feel financially independent and have luxury is quite different from somebody else. But here's the point. You will have yours. You will have yours. I love this, Libra. And then you have the Lovers in reverse, okay? Lovers in reverse, that's you being in alignment, personal alignment. You are in alignment with your mind, body, soul, spirit, with your guides, angels, ancestors, the divine. You are coming into alignment. There's that balance with that temperance, right? There's that transformation with that death card, that personal transformation. You are coming into alignment. And all of this, bottom of the deck, look, the 5 of coins in reverse, no more lack. No more lack of money, no more lack of love, no more lack. That is what is coming in. That is the cycle, the new chapter that's coming in, Libra, with this new moon in Aquarius, if you accept it. Now, Spirit is not messing around with you today. I will tell you that. They are not messing around because they pulled out the Thunder and Lightning card. Oh my, right? Remember we talked about grabbing that lightning, right? That new moon in Aquarius energy, grabbing that lightning, run with it, releasing it, letting it do its job. That is you co-creating with the universe. Okay, this is you standing in your power, the Emperor. This is you, the Queen of Wands, having that energy, right? Lightning's all about that energy. And the thunder is about standing your ground. So nobody's messing with you, Libra. I just got to tell you. I don't normally see Libras. So, I don't know. So it's, what's the word I'm controlling? Like you're controlling it, but in the best possible sense of the word. Like you are like, I am taking control, right? I am taking control, right? No more of that. Look at that. No more lack. I'm taking control. The Chariot. Taking control, success, grabbing the reins of your own life, being the leader of your own life. Look at that. Love when Spirit brings it together like that. Lastly, Libra, they brought out the Insight card. Open the third eye to strengthen your intuition. That's that Hierophant, okay? So that is, I mean, listen, they're not messing around. They're coming right to the point. Do some third eye meditations. They're free on YouTube. You can listen to them with just the music. You can listen to guided meditations. Do the work, okay? Be the Knight of Coins. Do that work. All right? Love this. This is very powerful for you guys. This is very like, yeah. Ooh, like, yeah, just making shit happen. All right, Libra. So let me know how this resonates with you. Remember, starts on the 24th. It's going to go for about 2 weeks, maybe longer. Depends on how long you ride that wave, okay? How long you're going to ride that wave. Let me know, again, how it resonates with you in the comments. I read each and every one. I do try to reply to all of them. Make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button. That lets YouTube know that this is of value to you. And don't forget to click the little bell. That little bell notifies you of when Spirit and I upload a new video. So until next time, all my blessings to you, Libra.